Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So this video is going to be a bit of reality for you. Like, my room is messier than it's been in a while, so I thought I would bring you along and clean it up with me. I've been trying to organise things and it's not going so good. Organising with children is hard work. Yeah, let's just get into this video. So I'm going to show you the mess of my room right now, and please don't be disgusted and click off this video. But yeah, let's just show you what I'm dealing with right now. The reason I'm doing this is because today, honestly, I've just been feeling really down and rubbish and horrible, and I just need to clean something to make myself feel better. I don't know if any of you guys do that, but right now I feel like it's what I need because I'm just feeling like doing nothing. I thought if I do this then I'll feel better. Don't know, does that make sense to you? So the kids are playing in the other room, in Elise's room. It's basically the playroom because they don't even sleep in there, they sleep with me. But yeah, let's get into this video. I hope you enjoy it, so let's get started. So I'm hoping that there's no pants on the floor or anything. But this is the state of the room. So as you can see, I dry all my clothes upstairs. Usually I do put them away as soon as they're dry, but these have been there for a couple of days because I've just been super duper lazy. This part here is always my dumping ground, so I really want to do something about that and maybe put like my prints on the wall and stuff. This is the floor around the cot because this is, I've cleared out these cupboards. So Issa's drawer and Issa's drawer are now these two. He used to just be that one, but he's getting bigger, his clothes are getting bigger, so he needs a bit more space. It's not organised at all. Then when I can't be bothered to pair up my socks, I just dump them on here. Issa's nappy stuff, yeah, this is just a big mess. Bed's not made at all. I've just edited a video which is uploading 95% processing, so that's good. That's for Wednesday. Wardrobes need a good clean, the mirrors need a good clean, and then here just on the floor is general just mess. Like, the kids just throw everything everywhere. I'm not even just blaming the kids, it's like my husband, his shoes, his socks, just everything. It's just a full-on mess, so let's just get started and do this, okay? Let's just clean this up right now. So I'm going to start by putting all the clothes away because that's what causes the biggest mess in the room. So I'm just going to empty off all of the areas and put all the clothes in their drawers.
What did you expect now? Did you feel better? The town those simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever, telling those little lies. Lie, lie, baby, won't you lie, lie? Getting enough of this, my love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Ooh, ooh. Thinking that I'ma quit, you gotta keep it real. I got enough of you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar.
And then I'm going to attempt to pick up all of the dirty clothes from the floor and just sort everything out, try and put all the rubbish in the bin, just general tidying up.
It's been a while since you came around. Look in the mirror. Are you getting bitter? Don't you come around no more, baby, no, no more. Getting enough of this, my love don't come for free.
Now it's time to sort out the clothes that are going to charity, and as you can see, the bag just ripped, so I had to go get a black bin bag and put them all in there.
I got enough of you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire.
And then I finally sort out all of the socks, and I didn't show it, but I obviously put them all away.
Liar, liar, babe. Liar, 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 babe. Liar, 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 liar.
basket to collect all of the toys that belong in the kids' room, so it's easy to just transport them all at once.
Is what we have of what is left of us, left of us. You don't think things through. No, I know you only photographs is what we have. Liar, baby, you're such a liar, singing out loud to the choir.
And then some more general tidying up, putting away jackets, robes, everything that's on the floor that doesn't belong there.
You didn't know I'm a liar, and now I lie, baby.
And then it's time to make the bed.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is bitter.
Now it's time to clean up all of this junk that's accumulated over the last couple of weeks.
He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is bitter. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me.
And then I was like, you know what, let's just get stuff done. So I grabbed all of my tools and decided to hang up this mirror and some picture frames, which you'll see in a bit.
I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. One for the pain, no hesitation, took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you.
About to leave.
And then I'm going to use my Karcher window cleaner to clean my mirrors, and they won't stay very clean for very long because the kids just put fingerprints all over them all the time.
see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
The last thing I'm going to do is use my Vex vacuum cleaner to just hoover the floor, pick up all those little bits of rubbish that you can see. So that is all I'm going to do for today because I am absolutely shattered right now. Didn't think I was going to put these things up, but you know when you gotta do something, you gotta do it, okay? So I had to do that. But it's 1,000 times better than it was, and I'm so proud of what I've done with 2 kids running around, especially Issa, because he just gets into everything and makes everything a mess again. I think I literally cleaned this room about twice because he was just getting into everything. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. In one of my next videos, I don't know when it's going to be, I'm going to try and put up a lighting wall here, and hopefully this will be my new filming background, but obviously I'm going to change it up and see how it goes. No. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I do lots of videos like cleaning videos, cooking videos, vlogs, and just bits and bobs really, hauls. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!